Are you someone who loves healthy cooking and you want to learn new recipes using wholesome, nutritious ingredients? Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer and I'm a mom and a wellness chef with over 20 years experience as a cooking teacher, and I'm also the founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School. I love helping people to discover how to make wholesome food delicious. If you'd enjoy watching weekly cooking videos that keep it simple, subscribe to my channel, Christine's Natural Kitchen. Just click the button on the top right if you're on mobile and the bottom left if you're on desktop. And then you'll be subscribed to my channel and get access to all these weekly fun cooking videos. The recipes I show you are not only healthy, but they're really tasty and even kid-friendly. Most of the ingredients are inexpensive and easily found at your local grocery store. It can be intimidating when you're learning to cook in a new way, and there's so much confusing information out there about what healthy cooking even is. That's why I'm here, to be your guide, invite you into my kitchen so it can be simple and fun for you. So click on the top right on mobile and the bottom left on desktop to subscribe to my channel and discover how delicious healthy cooking can be.